Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn the concept of probability and we are going to see the questions related to two dice. As you can see the topic name here, when two dice are rolled at the same time. That means when the two dice are rolled together, what are the different type of questions possible and how we can solve those questions. First of all, before going into the questions, let us understand that what are the different possibilities of getting the numbers in the two dice when the two dice are rolled together. Okay, so when the two dice, you can see here I just given a small image of the two dice. When the two dice is rolled together, we can have possibility of one on the first dice and again one on the second dice. On the next roll you can have one on the first dice and two on the second dice. Like this, in the third roll we can have one on the first dice and three on the second dice. So like this, these are the possible outcomes. You can see 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6. So these are in sequence. So like this again 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6, like this for 3 series, like this for 4 series, same for 5 series, and last one you can see 6 1 is possible, 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 and 6 6. So if you're going to take the total count of this possible outcome, the answer is 36. Okay, answer is 36. You can see here count 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this side also 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 into 6 is 36, correct? This is a possible outcome. Now look at the first question. In the first question you can see that when two dice are rolled together, find the probability of getting same number on both the dice, correct? Same number on both the dice. Before going to solve the first question, let us write down the formula of the probability. You know the formula of the probability is that probability P is equal to number of favorable outcome, number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes, correct? Number of favorable outcome by total number of possible outcomes. So in this case, first question, same number on both the sides. First one is 1 1, you can see here, then this is 2 2, then 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 and 6 6, correct? So you can see this diagonal. So how many total numbers are there? Same number, 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6, means 6 numbers are there, right? So number of favorable outcome will be here 6. Okay, and total number possible outcome is already we know that is 36. So it is 36. So the final answer is 1 by 6. Okay, going to the next question. Sum of two numbers appearing both the dice is 5. Okay, second question I'm writing here. So formula will remain the same. So I'm just writing the P is equal to number of favorable outcomes. So what are the possible numbers here? First of all, we have to see that, and I can write down the number here. You can see. So first number is your 1 and 4, correct? So 1 and 4 will give you 5. Second combination is 2 3. Third combination, you can see here where it is 1 4. This is 1 4. 1 4 will give you 5. Again 2 3 will give you 5. 3 2 will also give you 5. And 4 1 will also give you 5. Correct. So you can see we are having the 4 combinations, 1 2 3 4. So probability is equal to number of favorable outcome. Here the favorable outcome will be 4 divided by the total number of possible outcome. So total number of possible outcome you can see here, which will be 36 always. So 4 by 36. So the answer is 1 by 9. Okay. Now let us go to the third question. Second question done. Third question is sum of two numbers appearing both the dice is greater than 10. Okay, and this question asked in the board exam 2023 set 2. Sum of the two numbers appearing both the dice is greater than 10. Now we have to find that which two numbers will be greater than 10. So make sure that we are not going to take those numbers which is equal to 10, only which is greater than 10. So we have some 2 to 3 combination. You can see here the first one is 5 and 6, correct? 11. I'll write down the combination here. 5 and 6 combination will give you 11. 6 and 5, you can see here 6 and 5 will also give you 11. This we have to observe carefully. correct, and one more, that is your 6 comma 6, correct. And if you go back little bit here, like 5 is also there, but 5 will give you 10, but we want greater than 10. Important word is greater than 10. So we have 3 combinations only. So in this case, question number 3, the probability will be number of favorable outcome. So favorable outcome will be 3 only here, you can see. So it is 3 divided by number of possible outcome. Total number of possible outcome will remain same always as 36. So 3 by 36 will give you 1 by 12. Okay, coming to second last question, fourth question. In the fourth question, we have to get the different number on both the sides. What is the probability of getting different number on both the sides? Okay, so same number on both the sides, how many numbers we have seen? Same number on both the sides, there are 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6, correct. That means other than same numbers, all numbers will be different. So total number is 36, correct. Total possibility is 36, and 6 is the combination of same number. So remaining will be combination of different number. So that is 30. So in this case, probability P is equal to total number of favorable outcome will be 30, because total possible outcome is 36 and 6 is the combination of same number. So we want different numbers. So 36 minus 6 will be 30, but total number possible outcome is always 36, and so it is 5 by 6. 6 5 is 30 and 6 6 is 36. So this is the final answer. So moving to the last question, two numbers whose product is equal to 30. Now we have to find the combination of two numbers whose product is equal to 30. So I will write down the combination here, you can see. So first is 6 5. 6 into 5 is 30, correct. 6 into 5 is 30, and second combination is 5 into 6 is also 36. Don't think that both are same, both are different, because this is on first dice, this is on second dice, but in this case it is on the first dice, 5 is on the first dice, 6 in the second dice. So both are different actually. Okay, so the probability P is equal to total number of favorable outcome is only 2 here, whose product is equal to 30, exactly equal to 30. So 6 into 5 and 5 into 6 only possible, is very clear. So it is 2 favorable outcome, but total number of possible outcome is 36. So that is equal to 1 by 18. Okay, so this is the full and final answer of all the questions what you can see here on the screen. I hope you have understood all the concept of probability related to two dice. So any questions are coming like this, like if you change the question whose product is equal to 30, instead of that if you give 10, so 2 into 5 is 10 here, 5 into 2 is 10 here, like this. If you know this table, right, this table is the most important thing, correct. Everything you can observe here as per the question. You may take some time to find out whose product is equal to 10 or more than 10, but you will get the final answer and correct answer. So suppose as I am giving example, product equal to 10. Equal to 10 means this is the combination. 2 into 5 is 10, 5 into 2 is 10. Other numbers you can see it, you are not getting 10 here, correct. You check randomly any number, you will not get 10 here, correct, product. So like this, observe the table carefully and you can answer any question, and you have to just find the numerator part of this favorable outcome, and total number possible outcome will always remain 36, and you can find the fraction that will be final answer for the probability. Okay, thank you, and keep on watching the channel for more video like this, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.